It's handy if you receive notification in any application, you know what is happening in the applications. So over here in Google Vids as well, you can go ahead and set notification settings as you need. So to do that, you can go around onto the tools menu, and here you can see that notification settings is an option right here. For example, over here, you can see that you have notification for comments. So right now it says if there is any comment, then you'll be notified right here. But if let's say you don't want notification for all the comments, then you can set comments for you. So whenever you are tagged in a comment, then only you would receive notification if you were to select this right here. But if you were to select none, then you won't receive any notification. You can press OK, and then you have the notification right there. So the notification you get is from the browser that you're signed in onto, and you want to turn back the notification on again. Let's say, for example, now to the post that you're tagged in, and then you can go around onto tools right here. Then you can go to notification settings and then go for comments for you and press OK, and then it'll set out the notification accordingly. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the notification settings right here. Apart from that, you also have preferences, as you can see right here. Like, for example, you got general preferences, like it automatically capitalizes words, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around over here, let me just go around onto the new scene, add title, and let's say, for example, I'm going to say the right here, then it automatically capitalizes that out right there. But if I were to go ahead and turn that off, then that is not there anymore. So you can see that you can go ahead and change out that preference as well. If there's any smart quotes, then it uses automatic quotes. You can turn that on and off again. And then if there's any lists that you're typing, it automatically detects that out as well, and so forth. So you can enable all of these, as you can see right here. And you can enable the spelling correction as well. So you can see that the text box right now is resize the shape to fit the text. Now, if you don't resize right here, then as I were to type the text right here, then that does not actually resize. So let me just go around over here. So it says don't resize the text box by default. So if I were to go around over here, then this is what you have. As you can see right here, it does not resize the text box anymore right here. But if I were to go around right here onto preferences and then resize this out, shrink text to fit the shape right here, just like this, then what happens is that I can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, type that in, and the text shrinks out as I type in, and so forth. And that is how you can change around the notification settings and general preferences as you need inside of Google Vids. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.